Hello everyone. So currently we actually freshly installed our Windows Server. Before we work with things like domain controller, there are few configurations that we need to do. First, we need to put some static IP address for our server. So currently, server use dynamic IP like DHCP, so other computers won't be able to find it to login. So we actually need to give static IPs. So before we give into static IP, there is also few configurations we need to fix in our network setting. So by default, VirtualBox using something called NAT. So NAT. Let me show it to you. So uh, you can see that machine, yeah, device, network, and network setting. So in here you can see it attached to net. So this is actually great for downloading files, but it hides our server from rest of the network. So since this is going to be a domain controller, it need to be visible. So if you cannot understand this, so it things like this. So uh, your server can, when we using NAT, your server can actually talk with internet, but it's actually invisible to other computers. It's like how to say this, it's like you living in a house without no address. You can walk out, you can walk in, but no one can find you. So like that. So what we're going to do is we need to give some address and to our house, so other fellows can come to our house, right? So we need to change this into this bridge adapter. So this actually connects your VM directly to your real Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So it gets real IP address from your home router. So to do it, you can click OK, and I think it is recommend to restart your VM. So I'm going to close this for now and go to settings. Click on your virtual machine and go to settings. In here network, yeah, it attached to bridge adapter now, and then you can click OK, and now you can start it again. Okay, I think now you have good understanding about why we using bridge adapter over NAT. And yeah, so now we are back in Windows. So let's see what IP address our router gave us. Yeah, let's cancel this for now. So what you need to do is you need to open command prompt. You can command prompt from your start menu. You just need to search CMD or command prompt, and then you can use simple command called ipconfig. So it ipconfig for IP configuration. So yeah, like this. Yeah. So in here, we got look at the IP version 4 address. This one. So you need to write this down, right? So this is actually currently dynamic, like it this address can be changed tomorrow. So servers actually need permanent address, so we need to give this address as a permanent static IP, not just dynamic ID. Okay, so then you can click on this network icon and click on network and internet settings. Then you can click on network and sharing center. Click on this Ethernet. I am currently using Ethernet, that's why in here show as Ethernet. Then you need to go for properties. In properties, I think it's visible something like Internet Protocol version 4. So you need to double click on this, and in here you need to select use the following IP address from this radio button, and then you need to give that IP address that you note down, that we saw in our ipconfig in CMD. So I'm now giving my IP address. Okay, so I'm typing exact IP address, subnet, and gateway we just saw in command prompt. So my subnet is, yeah, 240. Okay, and the gateway was 72 20 and 1. Okay, so for the DNS server, I'm not using the using the router 27 0 0 and 1. So it's this is the code for localhost. So this is actually mandatory for active directory. It's like uh, this localhost tells the server, like, if you need to find a user or computer, you need to ask yourself first, something like that. So I think you get the idea about it. So then you can click OK and OK and close. Now we are going to change our name for our PC. So to do it, you can go Windows Run, and then you can give system sysdm.cpl and click OK. Okay, so this is our currently computer name. It's like, some random numbers, and it's actually a bit confusing. So I'm going to click change, and I'm give computer name as SRV server DC01. So that is the stand for server, like domain controller 1. It's actually a bit professional and clear. So yeah, then you can hit OK. Yeah, it's asked to restart, and yeah, let's do it and close. Okay, great. So now your server have a permanent identity. So we gave. So yeah, let's check it again. Sysdm.cpl, and yeah. So now our computer name is changed to some professional and clean name, and also we gave permanent address, static IP, instead of the DHCP we had. And yeah, that's for today. See you in next video.